So the wrong thing can be like the bar is the wrong thing, and this.
Rips.
Don't forget the seat.
The seat.
The new seat.
And there's like mold everywhere.
Mold, yeah, and this.
Yeah, and the bolts are rusted.
Early rider.
So what are we gonna do with it?
Fix it.
We're gonna fix it.
And don't forget the rip in here.
Who are we gonna fix this for?
Come here.
No, bring it over here. So this is a project that we're gonna do.
So this is our project.
Yeah, okay. So can you tell me?
So first, take it apart. Second, clean the rust from the bolts. Third,
Sandpaper all the wood. And then we're gonna
fourth, paint.
prime.
Fifth, paint. Sixth, build it together. Side
Jobs.
Oh.
Clean wheels.
Fix seat. Fix handlebars. Fix grips.
Cool.
And we gotta lower the seat.
Yeah, let's do this.